Now feel free to take a deep breath before we continue with finding the surface area of a pyramid. This pyramid has a square base measuring 10 inches on each side. So this side is 10 inches, this side also 10 inches, and because it's a square, all sides are equal. It has four faces that are congruent isosceles triangles, so these four faces are also identical. The height of each triangle is 12 inches. Find the surface area of the pyramid. And like always, you are going to start with drawing a net. A net of a square pyramid has one square in the middle and then four triangular faces. And just like the question say, the side length of the square is 10 inches and the height of the triangle is 12 inches. These are all the information we need in order to find the surface area of a pyramid. The surface area of a pyramid is the area of its net, and we can figure out the area of this square by multiplying the edge times edge, which is the same as 10 times 10 equals to 100 square inches. Now that we know that the middle is 100 square inches, we just have to find the area of each triangle. We start off by writing the formula. The formula of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. And because we have four of them, we can put those 1/2 times base times height inside the parentheses and put 4 in the front because we have four groups of these triangles. So the base of this triangle is 10 inches and the height is 12 inches. So now I have 4 times 1/2 times 10 times 12. The number inside the parentheses represent the area of one triangle. And because we have 4 triangles, you multiply by 4. But let's solve whatever inside the parentheses first. 1/2 half of 10 or 10 divided by 2 is the same as 5. So now I have 4 times 5 times 12. 5 times 12 is 60. So now I know that each triangle is 60 square inches and 4 of them would equals to 240 square inches. Now in order for me to find the surface area of the whole thing, I can add them all up. So I have 100 square inches from the middle and then 240 from the four triangles equals to 340 square inches. So I can conclude that the surface area of the pyramid is 340 square inches. Just to quickly recap what we just learned, we found the surface area of a pyramid by drawing a net of the pyramid and found out that we have the base of the pyramid, which is a square in this case. But remember that we also have a triangular pyramid, which you will see in the next example. But because this one, the base is a square, we have 4 triangular sides that are 12 inches high. Then we find the area of the square base by multiplying the side twice. So 10 times 10 is 100 square inches. Then we find the area of the triangular faces. Each one of them we can use 1/2 times base times height in order to find one triangle, the area of one triangle, and then we can multiply that by 4 because we have 4 triangles, and we realize that the 4 triangles in total, the area of these 4 triangles combined is 240 square inches. Then we add them all up in order to find the surface area of a pyramid. And we concluded that the surface area of the pyramid is 340 square inches. Now it's your turn. Alicia makes a pyramid that has an equilateral triangle as its base. Equilateral means that all sides are equal. The other three faces are congruent isosceles triangles. She measures the length shown on the net of her pyramid to find the surface area of the pyramid. So obviously this equilateral triangle has a side of 6 inches each. The height of this triangle is 5.2 inches, and the height of the bigger triangular faces are 10 inches. You are going to solve one step at a time. So whatever in the middle first, and then move on to the rest. And then you're going to add it all up and put your answers down below. After you're done with this question, you're going to move on to your independent practice and you're going to complete any Delta Math lessons from last week that are still missing. You're going to also complete one lesson on Dreambox. Any lessons of your choice. If you have a question, comment, concern, leave your comment down below or email me or text me on my Google Voice number, or you can join me for my office hour from 12 to 1 on Zoom. You can also request a meeting for 15 minutes in the form below. I hope you have a wonderful day, happy April, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.